Until Walt Whitman, there was no blank American voice in poetry. True, the poems of Emerson are highly esteemed today, but the prosody of these poems or those poems are not altogether different from that of England's lake poets. So how do we simplify this? Well, we're contrasting these two poets, their poems. And what we have here is an elaboration after the semicolon, but it's about a different poet, not Whitman. And it says that Emerson's prose, or prosody rather, which is kind of how you write poetry, is very similar to English poets. So therefore, until Walt Whitman, we didn't really have an American poet, because even, again, Emerson was very similar to England's poet. So what sort of voice emerged was a distinct voice. Now watch out for some of the traps here. Influential. Notice how it says highly esteemed. That alone should show you he's probably influential. Celebrated. Similar to influential, the idea that we have a context showing that Whitman was different from Emerson, not because Emerson wasn't celebrated. I mean, he's highly esteemed today. We don't necessarily know if he was highly esteemed at this time, at least from this text completion. But again, we're looking for something where the voices are different. Whitman is the first to have a distinct American voice. Solitary by itself, maybe think of a wandering poet. Indeed, Whitman was known to wander, but again, none of this is supported by context. And general is really just the opposite of what we're going for. We want this unique American voice, or distinct. And again, the answer, there it is, D.